Hey, Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to be comparing CopyFX and Axi copy trading. Now, CopyFX and Axi provide exactly the same thing, where you can go on, log onto their site, create an account, deposit some money, and then copy a profitable Forex trader. And when that trader makes a trade, as the name suggests, your account copies that trader like for like. Now, although this is not risk-free, and I personally would only be using money that you can afford to lose doing this because it is high risk, you can actually make a lot of money if you're very selective with the correct traders to copy and manage everything properly with correct risk management. Now, what we're going to do in this video is actually compare the two companies' websites. Then we'll look at the apps and how they look on the phone. So I'll put my phone screen next to me here. And then finally, we'll check their Trustpilot reviews. And at the end of the video, I'll reveal which I personally prefer as a copy trading platform to use. Now, before we get started, I'll just mention the Profit Boss Forex Trading Facebook group that I have. And there'll be a link for that down in the description if you're not joined up yet. And as well, just to mention quickly, I wanted to let you know that for CopyFX and Axi, I've taken several hours to create completely free guides that you can check out, which are going to help you get set up on there. So do check those out. Of course, link will be in the description for those as well. So first then, getting on the laptop here, we'll look at CopyFX's website. So this is their site here, Social and Forex Copy Trading. And then there's that button there, Become an Investor. It is quite simple to set an account up on here. As you scroll down there, you can see a few different traders and how much money they have in their accounts. There's one there with $70,000, $55,000, $44,000. So these are traders trading with serious amounts of money. These aren't just people trading with $50 or something. That one at the top there, X-Trade Investment, actually trading with just over $96,000 of their own money there. You can scroll further down, and then on the home screen, got some videos here. You can actually click on all videos, and it goes through all of the basics basically. So lots and lots of content there for you to check out at your leisure there. We can go further down. There's some information on fees there and how you can be paying fees to copy a trader. So you'll be copying them. They're earning money because they're obviously doing their trades, and then they're getting paid from a percentage of your profit. So I think that's fair enough. You know, they're making the trades, they're putting the work in literally several hours a day, if not full time. So I think it's fair that they get a bit of money for that. And if we go over and check Axi, this is Axi's site here. So Axi has been a brokerage site here since 2007, as it says there. They're FCA regulated, Financial Conduct Authority regulated in the UK, which CopyFX are not. So that may be something that some people will be very focused on there. That is a very good thing to have FCA regulation. And we can scroll down, and actually the really cool thing I wanted to show you on Axi is just here further down on the home page, where they have several awards here. So Best CFD Provider 2021, 2022, and then also Best MT4, MetaTrader 4 Provider for last year, 2022, and then even Best Forex Provider for this year, as we're filming, of 2023. So these guys, actually, they do not mess about. They're a really good site, winning all these awards here. And as I mentioned in a previous video, they are in partnership currently with Manchester City Football Club. Now, getting on the phone here, this is the CopyFX app here. So yeah, you can trade Forex, metals, crypto if you want, equity indexes. There's lots of US futures there, US stocks, spot oil prices there. So there's loads you can trade on here. We can go through on the next tab there, chart. So there's your chart. So that's the Aus dollar versus Canadian dollar pair there. Then if we go on to the middle tab at the bottom there, CopyFX, that's of course the copying part there. Yeah, X-Trade Investment, actually their portfolio from all their copiers is nearly $500,000 there. So yeah, lots of money being copied here. Yeah, the second one there, over $100,000. The third one over $100,000. So if we jump over to the Axi copy trading app, I think Axi has a much nicer presentation of the traders here. So you can see there, looks quite nice in my opinion. And for some reason, the traders on Axi seem to be doing much better and have much better results. Can go on to trade. I don't think the trading, if you're doing your own trading, is as good on Axi. I think CopyFX is personally better for that. And then positions tab here, you can see your open trades and your live profit and loss, equity, balance, all that good stuff. So really, really easy to navigate through the Axi app. Definitely a much easier app to navigate through there compared to CopyFX. Now, if we go back onto the laptop here, let's go ahead and look at the Trustpilot reviews. So CopyFX only actually have 18 reviews, but they are rated excellent. But 18 isn't really a lot of reviews. It's 4.5 out of 5. And we can see there, five-star reviews are at 72%. Then there's 11% at 4-star and 17% at 1-star. But as I say, 18 reviews, not really a huge amount to go off there. It just shows you how much more established Axi are when you see that on their Trustpilot, although they're rated great, not excellent, because I believe to have excellent, you need to be 4.0 or higher. So they're only just missing out on an excellent rating at 3.9. But they have got over 1,300 reviews, and you can see there, vast majority are at 5-star. And I think where Axi drop down and get 1-star reviews is you get a lot of scammers putting reviews on Trustpilot on Forex brokers like that. And they'll just make something up, like they'll say, oh, I lost loads of money, but I was able to get my money back by using such and such claims or whatever. So they mention someone's name. And that's a bit of a, well, not a bit, it's a scam, because then people that may have lost money through bad trading of their own fault will then get in touch with whoever they've mentioned, and all they're going to do is try and get their account details from them and steal their money. So yeah, I really do not trust that it has so many 1-star reviews. Really, it should be an excellent rating and be well over 4.0. So I wouldn't let just the great rating, although great is still pretty good rating. It's more like I would say at least a 4.3 or higher on Trustpilot in actual fact. And to conclude, I am now going to reveal that I do prefer Axi as a copy trading platform to use. Although CopyFX isn't bad and you can sort of get set up on there and it is good fun, Axi is really just an overall better product. And the fact that they have that FCA regulation on top just really means that they're the one that I would go for. But there's nothing to stop you trying out both, putting a bit of money into both, and seeing which you prefer there, and then letting me know in the comments which is your preferred platform. But if you've had any value from this video, please do tap the like button below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.